Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we're going to be looking at this massive 65-inch TV from manufacturer LG. So this is a UHD TV or an ultra high definition TV, which means 4K, and it is also part of their LG ThinQ AI series. So this is a smart TV, which means you can have apps installed on it to access your Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube, etc. Or you could just use the browser and access the web and browse from the TV. It also has a special gameplay mode, which means low lag and quick response times. In terms of the size, it's 65 inches or 164 centimeters. Without further ado, let's open up the box and take a look at what's inside. First off is the power cable, so this will depend on the region in which you are in. What we see here is a standard 2-pin Euro connector. Next up is the base plate and included assembly for table mounting the TV. So if you're going to place it on a table, you're going to need this. Now opening up the little bag, which is a kit of sorts, we do see some documentation. First off is a energy pamphlet. And the next one is the magic remote. Now this is something that LG is well known for. It's great for navigating smart TVs. It has motion sensing tech similar to a Wii, so a great way to use and experience the TV. Also included is a pair of AA batteries for the remote. Next up, another energy pamphlet, followed by the quick user guide for setting up this TV in terms of connections, mounting, etc. The next booklet is interesting. It's a bunch of QR codes, and depending on the model of your TV, you can scan that and get the exact information or product manual based on the model you have. A product information booklet, a pamphlet on Roku TV, which I assume is local and will depend on the region in which you're in, some information on energy consumption and energy use, a region-wise customer service center guide, so you can look for the one closest to you, a thick and chunky safety and regulatory information booklet, some brackets, clips, and a cable tie for the mounting process and wall mounting, cable managing, etc. 2 sets of screws, 4 of each type. And now, with all of that out of the way, time to start unpacking the TV, remove the styrofoam, and take a look at the TV. Due to its large dimensions and also the fact that it cannot stand without this box for now, we're not going to unbox it or remove it out of that. So take a good look at it, and for now hit pause for the quick spec sheet, but do get subscribed because we will review this TV in one of our deep dive videos and give you a full feel for it so you can get all the information on it then. Hope you're enjoying our content. Don't forget to like and share this video, and see you in the next one.